Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable attach pictures when sending SOS messages on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on safety and emergency. In here, go down and tap on send SOS messages. At the top, tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Make sure it is turned on. Then we go down and tap on attach pictures. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or turn on attach pictures. If this function is switched on, then it can attach pictures taken using the front and rear cameras, and then after that it will send out the SOS messages with the attached pictures. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.